Hello everyone, welcome to session 2. This week we will be focusing on evaluation theory. That is, what is evaluation theory and how does it influence our evaluation practices? Before we begin exploring the concept of evaluation theory, I would like you to review the following dictionary definitions of the word theory. Now think about how you define theory. Given your definition of theory, how would you define the concept of program evaluation theory? There is a wide range of theories in the fields of program evaluation. Given the magnitude of theories that exist, it can be overwhelming for someone who is new to program evaluation or for someone who is accustomed to evaluating programs in one particular way to fully embrace and understand all of these theories. The evaluation theory or theories that we ascribe to will inevitably influence how we evaluate programs, the purposes of our evaluation initiatives, the use of evaluation results, and who participates in our evaluation processes. Christie and Elkin propose that instead of using the term theory, we should be using the term approaches or models in program evaluation. As such, some examples of evaluation theories can include, for instance, goal-free evaluation, utilization-focused evaluation, empowerment evaluation, participatory evaluation, and developmental evaluation, just to name a few. In order to make sense of the various theories, models, or approaches to program evaluation, Christie and Elkin propose a system that is useful for understanding, describing, and classifying various types of evaluation theories. They have developed the evaluation theory tree, which was last updated in 2013. It describes major theorists' orientations in program evaluation. In one simple graphic, it demonstrates the various theoretical perspectives that exist in the world of program evaluation, and how all forms of evaluation stem from the same so-called trunk of social accountability, social inquiry, and epistemology. That is, the study and nature of knowledge. The tree then categorizes different evaluation orientations into three main branches: use, methods, and valuing. Each branch extends into numerous twigs labeled with the names of various evaluation theorists who align themselves with a particular perspective. You can learn more about this evaluation theory tree by completing the required readings for this week along with the graded learning activity. It is important to note that the required readings for this week may also be helpful for your upcoming Scholar presentations. That is, where does your evaluation Scholar fall on the evaluation theory tree? Moving on, despite the efforts of Christie and Elkin, many evaluators have questioned if they actually need to know and understand evaluation theory. Some argue against evaluation theory. They recognize that evaluation theory is not in great shape when compared to the level of theory in other fields, or that many evaluators do not understand evaluation theory, but yet they are still able to effectively do program evaluation. However, those in favor of evaluation theory acknowledge that a field that has a good theory can conduct research and advance themselves purposefully. They also recognize that evaluation theory can enhance the profession of program evaluation and that it is good to know evaluation theory because it leads to evidence-based and systematic program evaluations. I might also add that theory brings a certain level of credibility to the field of program evaluation. So I now ask you, do you feel that evaluation theory is important? For those of you who think that evaluation theory is not important, you are not alone. As King and colleagues point out, there are some good reasons for not focusing on evaluation theory. Some suggest that there is little consensus on evaluation theory. A perfect example is when the evaluation theory tree first came out, some theorists did not fully agree with where they had been placed on the tree. Others have also noted that there is minimal funding available for researchers to study the field of program evaluation and develop theory for it. Moreover, some argue that evaluators' foci should be on the development of evaluation program theories, sometimes referred to as logic models, rather than on overarching theories for the field of program evaluation itself. There is also some fear that by ascribing to a particular theoretical viewpoint, an evaluator may be locked into the use of specific evaluation designs or methods. On the other hand, others argue that theory helps to inform evaluation practice, and that it can be extremely helpful to novice program evaluators. And that practice can inform theory, essentially meaning that practice can help us reflect on and further develop program evaluation theory. Nevertheless, for some time now, contributors have been calling for more and better quality research on program evaluation. This research on program evaluation can help guide future evaluation activities and contribute to researchers' and evaluators' understandings of important evaluation issues. Furthermore, by documenting and understanding the current state of program evaluation, this research helps to establish what types of resources and activities are needed to advance program evaluation in various contexts. Through documenting and reflecting on evaluation, research can contribute to the very limited body of empirical research on evaluation activities and essentially enhance evaluation theory. So now, to test your knowledge of evaluation theory, I encourage you to try out the Jeopardy quiz that I have uploaded to the presentation folder in Session 2. Please note that this quiz is just for fun and that it will not be graded. Also, when you go onto the link for this quiz, you'll be prompted on the number of teams. Just select one team and then press Start to begin the quiz.